Today we are going to prepare Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani. Required ingredients: chicken 750 grams, basmati rice 750 grams, curd 400 ml, ginger garlic paste 4 tablespoons. This ginger garlic paste is prepared at home. Chilli powder 3½ spoon. Dhania powder 1 full spoon. Turmeric 1 spoon. Garam masala 1/4 spoon. Coriander leaves 2 handful. Mint 1 handful. 2 lemon. 1 full cup of oil, shajira 1 spoon, cloves, cinnamon stick, star anise, ilachi, and this is biryani stick, and 4 to 5 long green chillies, tasting salt, and salt as required 1½ spoon it will be needed. Onion medium size 6. Take cleaned chicken in a bowl. Add 400 ml of curd for 750 grams chicken. Add ginger garlic paste 4 tablespoons. Full spoons. Add nicely chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves.
That's great.
Add sliced green chilli. Add 3 to 4 cloves, cinnamon stick, ilachi, star anise. Add chilli powder 3 spoons. According to your taste, if you have less spice, add 3 spoons. If you have more spice, then add 3½ spoons. Add coriander powder 1 full spoon. Add turmeric 1 full spoon. Add garam masala 1 spoon and 1/4. Add salt according to your taste. For this we are using 2 spoons. Add tasting salt 1/4 spoon. And add boiled oil 1/2 cup. Mix all ingredients nicely.
Okay.
Finally, check it for taste. All spices and salts are ready. And close the lid and keep it for marination for 2 to 3 hours in the fridge. Take onions and chop nicely and deep fry it until it turns to brown in color. Now onions are ready to take out from the frying pan. Now keep the onions in a separate plate Onion should be very crispy. Soak the basmati rice in water 20 minutes before cooking. Now the marinated chicken is ready, which I kept it for 4 hours, and brown onions and soaked basmati rice. Boil water to prepare rice. In that, add 2 tablespoons of oil, and spices: 4 ilachi, 3 cloves, cinnamon stick, star anise and biryani stick. Add some sajira into the water. Add salt into the water according to the rice what you have taken. Stir it and let it come to a boil. After the water is coming to the rolling boil, add the soaked basmati rice into it. Now boil the rice up to 70%. Meanwhile, take biryani pot and add remaining half cup of oil into it. If the oil get heated, add the marinated chicken into it. After adding marinated chicken, mix it once and keep the flame in medium until the rice cooked 70% cooked. Add half of the brown onions into it.
Kill.
Mix it. Now the rice is 75% cooked and strain the rice and add this strained rice into the chicken. Add lemon juice into it. Slightly mix it. Add coriander and mint leaves what we have chopped. Add brown onions. Add remaining brown onions. Now knead the dough and apply it over to the lid to seal and to prevent the escape of the air. Place it on the biryani pot. Seal it nicely. Once after sealing it well, put some weight onto it. Keep the flame medium in 5 minutes and low in 15 minutes. If your bottom is very thin, after 20 minutes of low flame, turn off the stove and remove the lid like this. Check it. Now, Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani is ready.